Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Strips match your meter and aren't expired because inaccurate strips give bad readings. Once done, wash and thoroughly dry the finger you'll use. Water and residue change the result. Next, insert a test strip and power the meter. Some meters require a code or confirmation. Make sure the device displays readiness before you lance. This immediate preparation prevents errors and speeds the rest of the process, so you can get a reliable glue. Now focus on obtaining a clean sample. Adjust the lancing device depth so you get a single drop without heavy squeezing. The side of the fingertip often hurts less and yields good flow. Once a drop forms, gently bring the strip's edge into contact. Capillary action pulls blood in. Do not smear. When the meter beeps or shows a progress bar, hold steady until it confirms the result. These steps reduce hemolysis and contamination, so readings reflect your true glucose. After the number appears, record it along with the time, what you ate, and any meds. This context helps you and your clinician spot trends. Dispose of the used lancet in a sharps container and store meter and spare strips in a dry, moderate temperature spot to maintain accuracy. If the meter shows an error or an implausible value, stop and troubleshoot. Clean the strip port and contacts, confirm strip orientation, and repeat with a new strip. If problems persist, consult the manual or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.